आपका जी बहुत शुक्रिया। हम शुक्रगुजार हैं हमारे दोस्त गूगल फॉर एजुकेशन और एलाइट और बाकी टीम आई है। इस्लामाबाद में इन्होंने स्टार्ट लिया है पहले 2 रेफरेंस स्कूल बनाने का, एक ICG F62 और एक ICB G63, और वी आर एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल टू गूगल टीम टू कम टू पाकिस्तान. दे आर हेयर टू सपोर्ट अस, टू पार्टनर अस in our quest to improve the quality of learning, to improve the access of education in Pakistan, because technology and education is the future of Pakistan. We want to invest in our youth. We are doing a level best. We are trying to find partners all around the world, and nothing like Google to be the first one to be partnering with Pakistan in education. And Google Tech Valley is our partner, Elite is our partner, all are our partners, and we are extremely happy today. We had the first inauguration, and this is not going to stop in coming days and weeks and months. Again, thank you Google, thank you Google for Education. I'll request Kevin, the MD, CEO of Google for Education, who has come from New York with his team. And interestingly, his team has come from 8 different countries and have joined together in Islamabad to meet all the stakeholders, including the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Over to you, Mr. Kevin.
We are thankful and humbled to be a part of this development of this Center of Excellence. This will become a best practice hub for all the schools in the region, and it will transform learning and really continue to just push growth for all kinds of learners and all kinds of students. So we just thank you very, very much for this journey and this partnership.
Thank you very much for cooperating and concerned with Pakistan education. Dear reporters, cameramen, Assalamu alaikum. A dream come true, I think. A college like this, a school like this, for the student belong to a common class of Pakistan. I think this is a revolution and revolution for education. और मैं इंशाअल्लाह देख रहा हूँ कि इसी तालीम के रास्ते से पाकिस्तान जिन मकासद के लिए बनाया गया था, आपको उस इरादे को, उस मंजिल को जरूर पहुँचा। आप सबका शुक्रिया। वानी साहब ने बड़ी मेहनत की है एक नए तर्ज के साथ स्कूलों पे और कॉलेजों पे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर।